What if I told you there's a way to heat your home that's better for the planet and your wallet? This is a heat pump. It replaces your boiler but works differently. Think of it as a refrigerator in reverse. Instead of pushing heat out, it pulls free heat from the air outside, bringing it into your home. Unlike your old gas boiler, heat pumps use electricity to move heat rather than creating it by burning things. This makes them up to 4 times more efficient. That means for every 1 unit of electricity used, you can get up to 4 times more heat. They keep your home cozy all year round with reliable and consistent heating and hot water. Plus, they can last for around 20 years. That's 5 to 10 years longer than a traditional boiler. Here's the best part. On the right tariff, heat pumps can slash your energy bills by hundreds of pounds each year and add thousands to your property value. And with government grants available of up to £7,500, there's never been a better time to make the switch.